Hey guys, today I just wanted to talk about you very fast about a strategy. We use a very successful strategy. This is called the Delta Flip. It's a strategy we primarily use at London Open. Today in the Discord group, one of my members got a 5-point winner. Myself, I got a 10-point winner out of this simple and easy applicable strategy that uses order flow and the Asia range. So what we see here in this purple box right here is the Asia range. The purple box ends at 8 o'clock my time, so when London opens. So we got the Asia range, which was in a downtrend. You can see that obviously by the taking out of the lower lows. So what we were looking for today in the market was a reversal to the upside. Today we are Tuesday, the 23rd of July, so we were looking for a reversal to the upside back into the higher regions, 5,600 region, somewhat around there. So what are we looking for to apply this strategy? As you can see, we are in an obvious downtrend. This is the second standard deviation VWAP, this blue line. As you can see, the lower lows were getting taken out, and here the other lower low is taken out, and we get a reversal back, make another lower high as usual. And what are we looking for now? We are looking for liquidity to be swept, which is this area. This is a obvious liquidity sweep. We have this buildup of volume right here, and the sellers that are aggressively stepping in right here. We see this VWAP. Now most people will want to enter at this VWAP somewhere around here, or the retest of the VWAP, so maybe they have their limit orders in this region somewhere. Now what do we do with the footprint? We define this area. So let's just zoom in on this area using a footprint chart. So this is the same area. This is where we came down again right here. So let's look into this footprint chart. This is the same session. This is where price got down into this 90 region. This is a 13 range ES footprint chart of the Globex session, the London Open. So what is a delta flip strategy? First, we are looking for this liquidity sweep that happened right below the Asia range. So we can look for a liquidity sweep, and we have 1, 2, 3 following bars with red delta, and our fourth bar has a green delta and a significant delta change. As you see, 32 and 36 is not a significant delta change. 251 delta is a significant delta change. So what is the second thing we are looking for? As you can see, sellers are strong in this bar. Sellers are very strong in this bar. Nice and balanced profile. And sellers are strong in this bar. But buyers are coming in right here. Right here. And you see we make a nice P profile. So our profile shape is changing. And as we have some seller interest here, as you can see, our profile does not indicate a lot of selling interest anymore right here. So we go to our next bar. This is actually our signal bar that we will use as a signal. Now what we can spot directly that in this bar we have much higher volume than in the other two bars. So we get a volume increase. So that's just the same thing we saw as here. We have a volume increase, meaning there is a lot more orders coming in right there. So the last bar before our signal bar will most likely have a higher volume. We also call this a stopping volume. So on the next bar, this is our signal bar. So as you can see, price opened right here. We have looked for lower prices, but we didn't find anything, and so we got up again. But what do we notice in relationship to the other bars right here. Here we have center POC, we have center POC, we have a center POC. Here what color eye is that our POC is down below, and our open of the bar is above the POC, meaning we have almost no interest in this zone right here because we start from here. Our next bar is our execution bar. Here we will execute regardlessly. So price opens, we come down. The moment we shoot back up, you can see this positive delta here at 91. You can see these buyers coming in here. So we can expect to take it back to the top. So one of the rules is you take the trade right here in this zone, which is a 2-point zone actually. So you take the trade right here and your stop loss goes below below the signal bar. If we return to the signal bar, you would have lost 2 points. As you can see, price is going up. We have some retaliation here, which is actually also a delta flip. But look at what we see. We have an unfinished action here at the top of this delta flip, meaning price will be more likely to shoot through. So we can hold our trade, and as you can see in this low volume zone of your execution bar, price reverses to the upside. Here we have another, so POC low, close above the POC in relationship. So we can take another trade here if you want. And we have taken a successful reversal trade. So guys, this is easily explained how we take the delta flip strategy. One of the strategies that is used in my Discord room. I will put the link to the Discord down below in the description. If you guys want to join, we have a free section where we can chat while we will be always trading the London Open there using simple strategies. So if you are interested, click the link down below. I'll see you guys